piece of hard flooring. Just taking a look at that cut on the hard flooring, you have got some tear out there. So what I'm going to try is cutting it from the reverse side and see whether we can get a cleaner cut on the face. Okay, same piece of hard flooring, but we're going to cut it on the reverse side and see what we get. Okay, so that was the first cut we did, cutting it from the face side, and you can see the tear out, which wouldn't be the best of finishes, to be honest. But cutting it from this side, okay, you get the tear out, but that's not going to be seen when the floor's laid. But you get zero tear out on the face.